So, what is research design? It refers to the overall strategy you choose to integrate the various components of the study in a logical and coherent manner. It provides the correct flow of your study, making it more systematic. The identified problem determines the appropriate research design for your study. Constructing research design includes answering the 5 W's. What is your topic all about? Why do you conduct this study? Who are the respondents? Where and when will you collect the necessary information? Here's an example of a research design. You might want to go back to your research scope and limitation to further understand what are the variables you want to identify. You can pause here to read. Next is the types of research design. Qualitative is expressed through words, frequently used in comprehending ideas, thoughts, or experience. Quantitative use mathematical or numerical analysis obtained from instruments to present data. Take note that this research design also has its pros and cons. One of the advantage of quantitative design is that the instrument can quickly analyze and process data, instantly producing unbiased results, while on the contradicting area, or its disadvantage, it can be timely and expensive for the researchers to conduct. Now, let's move on to the different types of quantitative design. To easily remember them, keep these short descriptions in mind. It is the process of gathering information from a target population, which includes describing the characteristics as accurate as possible using obtained values. There are different types of sampling that you can use in your study. Instrument, a device or tool used by the researchers to measure, collect, and analyze data or information in a study. Example is paper, questionnaire, interview, survey, forms, etc. Here are some steps that you can follow in developing instrument. One is the background. First, analyze the research question. Second, questionnaire conceptualization. The SOP, framework, and literature are converted into question. Third, format and data analysis. Questionnaire format are the style, size, and layout. Fourth, establish the validity. Rechecking the research draft including the content validity, construct validity, and criterion validity. Lastly, establishing reliability. Ensure that your questionnaire is accurate and reliable in collecting and measuring data. We have two types of data. One is the primary data or the raw data. Two is the secondary data collected by someone else. It can be paper-based and electronic-based sources. Collecting data can be done by the use of the following methods below. Data analysis is a method used by the researchers to reduce data and interpret it in order to gain insights using analytical and logical methods. The following are the steps to analyze quantitative data. One is data cleaning, two is data coding, three is data presentation, and lastly is data interpretation and discussion. Lastly is the research methodology. Take note that it is the heart of every paper because it demonstrates that the scientific method was used. The validity of your research is assessed in this section. These are the parts that you need to include in your research methodology.